Hello, my name is Seth and I'm a product specialist here at Mobile Patient Lift. Today I'll walk you through assembling the Freedom Aqua Patient Lift, a sling-free alternative to traditional patient lifts designed to make safe, comfortable transfers easier in both home and care environments. Whether you're helping someone move from a bed to a chair or providing support during bathroom use, this lift helps reduce physical strain and improves everyday caregiving. Let's start with what's included. In the box, you will find the lift frame, a battery charger, the left and right seat panels, the commode support bracket with commode pail, and lastly, your product manual. Now, before using the Freedom Aqua Patient Lift, always refer to your product manual for detailed assembly, use, and maintenance instructions. Now, let's take a look at how to assemble the Freedom Aqua Patient Lift. Begin by removing the leg release pin holding the rear wheels upright. Then lower each wheel fully and reinsert the leg release pin to lock the wheels in place. Next, identify the left and right seat panels. You're gonna take either panel and press and hold the back button located on the top of the seat. While holding the button, align and insert the seat supports onto the lift's frame. Once the seat panel is properly positioned, release the black button. The Freedom Aqua includes a commode support bracket with commode pail. To install, insert the bracket into the rear mounts and slide the bucket into the support bracket. To charge the unit, plug the charger into a nearby outlet, insert the other end of the charger into the charging port located near the footrest. While charging, the light on the charger will illuminate. Once fully charged, unplug the charger from both the lift and the wall outlet. Press the main power button on the lift's frame to turn it on. Then press the power button on the control panel to activate the lift. And that's it, your Freedom Aqua Patient Lift is now fully assembled and ready to use. With powered sling-free lifting, a wide seating area, and built-in accessories for hygiene support, it's a dependable solution for safe and simple transfers. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more tips and maintenance instructions, check out your product manual. And if you have any questions, contact us today or visit mobilepatientlift.com. Thanks for watching.